Okay, so I want to make cocoyam porridge. So I want to make cocoyam porridge today. These are the ingredients. I have my already washed snail. I have my smoked fish and bonga. I have my leaf, my vegetable. I have my tomato, fresh pepper, and crayfish. I just blended everything together, but it's not necessary to use tomato. It's optional. If you want, you can. If you don't. And for today, I'm going to be using my red. Okay, so join me as I make yam porridge today. This is my snail. This is my chopped tomato, pepper, and this is my already chopped cocoyam. Let's check our cocoyam. Okay, it's boiling. Let's check. I'm going to add my already chopped tomatoes, fresh pepper, and crayfish to it. I'm going to, while it's boiling,